YouTube? What's happening? What's good? It's your man, Mac Price Action, back here again with another video. Guys, today, watch this video, okay? Look, I want to show you something. I'm not even going to take too much of your time. I just want you guys to check something out real quickly, okay? As you know, I'm only trading Euro USD, and this is for me the best pair to trade since when I actually started understanding what ICT was talking about, this was the pair I was on. So this is not ICT. This is my stuff after learning about FVGs and I think about liquidity. So check this, guys. I'm just gonna use my drawing tool, okay, to mark out these areas. Price came up here, right? And then it came down here, okay? As you can see. Let me erase that for now. Look at this area here, okay? Look at this, what should we call it? Resistance area. And price went up from there, okay? Price went up from that resistance area. It broke this resistance and went up here and then came here back into that resistance, turning it into support, okay? But one thing I want you guys to focus on are the areas and the bodies of the candles. Okay, like for instance, take this same area that we are talking about here and this area, right? These two areas seem to touch somehow, right? And after that touch happens, let me just zoom this a little bit out. After that touch happens here, price goes up and does what? Takes liquidity right here, right? But it's not just taking liquidity. It's not just taking liquidity for no reason, guys. Look on the left. What's happening on the left, right? There are areas as well here. There are these areas here. There are these areas here. And if you go to lower time frame, you'll find that this price is actually respecting an FVG somewhere there. Okay, we're not going to do that now on this video, but if you want to check that and some other examples, go to my other videos that I made. I actually made a series that you guys can follow. Okay, for now I want us to focus on these points, okay, because I'm getting somewhere. I just want to get there as quick as possible without talking too much. Okay, so came down here into this area, price went up, took liquidity here, and then after taking liquidity and probably respecting FVGs the side, price came down. Okay, it's not just coming down for some random area. We're taking this liquidity here. Okay, so let me draw that properly. I wish this tool was always in my hand like a pen. So, oh goodness, sorry guys. Go up here, came down, took this liquidity area. Remember, this was the area that we respected last time. Look at this area, right? Look at this area, right? Look at this area. Look at this area. This sort of like becomes a whole area, right? Of which price actually respects and goes up to take some FEGs somewhere here, okay, and then go down as it did like over here, okay. And it's not just going down there as well. It's not just going down. There's FEGs there, guys. Remember, I said that we're always looking for FEGs and liquidity. If you check my other videos, I speak about this extensively. But if it's not extensive enough for you guys, you can always leave a comment. I'm more than happy to record more videos for you so you can understand more in depth about what's going on in these forex markets. So check this FVG out. This is an FVG, and price started turning from there, right? Creating these higher highs and higher lows, okay? And that's where I want us to go now, right? By those higher highs and higher lows. So price was going higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? Actually, that's not how I want to draw it. There you go. So we've got these areas like this. What am I doing? What am I doing? I had it perfectly drawn just now, guys, before I made this video. So I want you guys to notice something. The trend is your friend. I know all traders know that. I want you guys to notice something. Here are these points that we were speaking about now previously, right? These are the points. These are the highest points. These are the lowest points. These are your higher lows. And these are your higher highs. Okay? Why am I choosing to ignore this area, guys? Look at what happened here around May, June. Look at what's happening here. Doesn't that look similar? Right? Except for one thing. Price here failed to take this high. Instead, it swept it. Yes, the wicks are above, but the bodies failed to take those bodies. Okay? So if we zoom in here a little bit, you can clearly see that price failed to close above that area. We were rejecting that area constantly on the daily time frame, that is. Okay, and we focus on the daily because I'm a day trader, and I firmly believe that day trading is the way to go. I still don't understand how people scalp the market, because to actually see the overall market and trade the overall market is easier than having to look for moves on a smaller time frame where you have higher chances of losing. Okay, so that's my only reason. Okay, so look, price went up. Okay, let me just start over here, and then it came down. Right, when it came down, there is a spike right there, and then price reacted to that spike, went up right here. And what is here? What is here in this area that price had to return to and then reject again? It's an FVG, guys. Here's the FVG here. Okay, and price spiked into that FVG. Sorry, spiked into that FVG and then went down. Where did it go down to, guys? To this spike here. Okay, and then after that, price went up and took liquidity, right? Because remember, we don't control what price does. We can only follow price, right? But after taking liquidity, price failed to break above this area. So we know all these rejections here. These rejections are telling us that price is looking to go to a lower area than this one and a lower area than this one. Sorry about that. Let me just... So we know price is looking to find lower areas than here, lower areas than here, which are these areas right here. Okay, and there's more. There's these areas right here, these areas as well, right? This is where our ascension starts, guys. That's why my lines only end at these areas, because our ascension starts essentially here, right? That is our lowest low here. This is our lowest low. This is our lowest low. This is our higher low. This is our higher low, and now currently this is our higher low. Okay, so we essentially just looking for discount areas, guys. That's it. Price goes up into a premium zone, comes back down in discount zone. This is where we buy. Price goes up, takes our premium zone, comes back down for a discount. This is where we buy. Right, this is our discount. Sorry, this is where we buy. And also, guys, pay attention every time. I'm not even making this up, guys. If you just look, you will see it. And it's not only on a daily time frame. You can find these on higher time frames as well, which also will be even better confluence, because the higher the time frame, the stronger that area is. Okay, so look at this. This is an FVG here, and price reacts to that FVG and goes up. Isn't that amazing, guys? Like, I feel like for some of you guys who've never experienced anything like this, just go check it out. There's plenty of FVGs in your chart. Just go and check it out. Whatever chart, whatever pair you're using, check these areas out, right? This is an FVG, guys, that I just marked out here. This is an FVG, and price went up, reacted to it, went up, right? This is an FVG on the weekly as well, and it's an FVG on the daily here, right? These are mitigated FVGs here, but I talk about that on the other video. So I'm not gonna make this video any longer, guys. I thought I was gonna make this video like 5 minutes, but I hope you guys get something out of this. The next video, I'm gonna try and publish another video as soon as I can, so that I can show you guys how I got to my entry, and how I'm still holding these entries without even breaking a sweat. Okay, guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll check you on the other video. Please check out the next video after this one, because I'll be explaining more in detail about how I get my entries, although they're early entries, but I'll be explaining more in detail on how you can get these entries. Cheers, see you on the next video, guys.